Here, let me get some of this out of your way. Come here. That's an interesting way of getting down. Esme, are you having fun? Who's on the back of that? Who is that? Who is in there? Who is in there? Come up here. Stand up. Stand up. Now what are you going to do? How are you going to get down? How are you going to get down? Timber! Good thing you have that big old diaper on. Oh, shoot, that's funny. Okay. You going to do it one more time? No? Okay.